What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Hulk's Point of View, and in this video I'm going to be putting my point of view on these. These are protein bars. If you saw my previous video, what was in the bag that I got from the Arnold Classic, I brought two of these home. I've eaten one and this is the last one standing. So as you can see, there is 21 grams of protein, 1.6 grams of sugar and 4.4 grams of fibre. It's a whey protein bar. This flavour is salted caramel. It was a bit thicker than this, but I've had it in a bag for for a few days, so it's been squashed, but it was quite puffed out. There's the macros if you need to see, if I can get it to focus. The bar weighs 60 grams. They're called Fat Off, suitable for vegetarians because it doesn't contain beef gelatin, so suitable for vegetarians. The packaging is plastic, so fully recyclable. Contains sweeteners. The flavours you can get are salted caramel, brownie and white chocolate. If you are interested in these products, testing them for yourself, they are available from the DY Nutrition UK website. So it's dynutrition.co.uk. You can go on there and you can pick these bars up each for £2.50. Taste wise, they're just traditional bars. So this, like I said, this has been kept in a bag for a few days, so it doesn't look like this normally. Normally it looks like a chocolate bar or whatever. Well, yeah, it's good because you can sort of see the insides now. But yeah, so yeah, taste wise, it just tastes like a traditional protein bar. They're a little bit dry. The flavour is overpowering. So I would not recommend this product, only due to the fact that there's not many flavours. But I'm just not really a fan of protein bars, to be honest. And that's my honest answer. They're good for on the travels if you like to hit your macros. There's like good sorts of protein and that. I just don't really see the point. For me, I would not recommend this product just for those reasons. But yeah, like I said, you're welcome to try these for yourself. dynutrition.co.uk.